welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln, guys. So if you have any Lincoln such as Mkx, Mkz, Mkx Mkt, guys, and you guys have a code such as P0443, guys, stay with us and we'll explain what needs to be replaced, how to fix it, and all that stuff. So we guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Leave a comment below, guys. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. So let's start on the problem and show you how to fix that code P0443 now. So we'll be demonstrating on Lincoln MKX, but it will be the same for the whole MKS, Mkz, Mkt, guys. Quite a few Lincolns. This is the scanner that we'll be using. It's very inexpensive. You can find, guys, the link listed in the description of the video below, guys. Check it out. Now, right here, guys. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and connect the scanner quick to the OBD connector of your Lincoln. Okay, right there. Perfect. Now, what we'll do next, guys, okay, I'm going to go ahead, grab the key, we'll start the car and demonstrate how the engine light is on. So, let's start it now. You will, guys, not notice any horsepower loss or anything like that. The engine will be running nice and smooth, but you're guys polluting your that's part of the emission system, so you definitely, guys, need to take care of it. And you can actually even notice a little bit higher fuel consumption. So you can see it revs up nice, it's fine, but engine light just stays on all the time. So how we fix that now? Okay, we're going to turn it off, turn the ignition on, and now we're going to scan it with that computer quick. We'll just click enter. It's going to take a little bit of time to communicate with the car computer, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, read codes, stored codes, and the code that we have now, guys, is P0443 Evaporative Emission System Purge Control Valve. Okay, Purge Control Valve. We'll explain, guys, where that valve is, what it does, and all that stuff. I always go back and click the pending codes as well. Why? Because I want to make sure that there is nothing else, and it doesn't in our case. Okay, this is it. So what we'll do now, we'll turn the ignition off, we'll pop the hood open, and we'll show you what you need to replace to fix that code. So once you guys open the hood of your Lincoln MKX or whatever it is, MKS, Mkz, Mkt, guys, this is the engine. Some of them, most of them will have the 3.5 or 3.7 engine. That's what it looks like. You may have the cover on. We removed it, so we can do some diagnostics here. But you have, guys, a purge control valve. This is the valve that actually, okay, what it does, okay, the fuel tank, it builds vapors, it builds pressure, and that pressure, guys, those vapors are released inside of the engine intake manifold, and that way the vapors can burn through the cylinder. It will give it a little bit extra power, and that way you will not lose the vapors in the atmosphere and pollute. And this is the purge valve, guys, and it has two hoses. One comes from the fuel tank and one goes in the intake manifold. And now that valve, guys, okay, it's super simple to replace. Okay, you can see you just have two nuts here to remove and replace. Disconnect two hoses and disconnect the wire. That valve, if it doesn't open or close, guys, okay, it will trigger that code, and it can even trigger more code. So we have the video how to replace it, and if you need to buy one, guys, okay, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. We'll go ahead, replace ours, and in today's video we'll see if replacing that valve will fix that code P0443 now. So we'll go inside now, guys. We replaced our purge valve. I will go ahead. Okay, we're going to turn ignition on now. Okay, ignition is on, and we'll go ahead and reset the codes now. So the computer is still connected. If it's not, you need to reconnect it. I'll go back, and we're going to click now, guys, okay, erase codes right here. We'll click erase. Erase codes done. We'll click any key, press any key to continue, and then we're going to read the codes again to make sure that there is nothing in the computer now. No codes are stored. I'll go ahead, restart the car, and engine light is not on at all, guys. So that definitely takes care of our problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.